So we have some interesting updates in terms of the relay airdrop, but it's not gonna be a long video. So please make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and we jump straight to the laptop. And the first thing that I want to remind you is that you do have a 100 position airdrop for you. So free to earn. All you gotta do, if you deposit $100, you get $100 back over on Weeks, which it is a non KYC exchange. So make sure to come and join me there. You deposit $1,000, you get $1,000 for free to go and trade. So simply rinse and repeat. Being a non KYC exchange, you can also create multiple accounts, go and get the bonuses. So rinse and repeat, get free money over free money, and put the trades on. Which I will leave you the link down below. And as you see, currently I am on a hype long position, which it is going a little bit down, but nonetheless we keep on holding it, and I do have it. So make sure to come and join me over here, get 100% free bonus. But what I do want to talk to you mostly about is Relay. Now, as we see here, they have made this post, and it does say 2 million sponsored in 2 days, zero fees, instant USDC bridging, more time, etc. So what am I talking about? Well, as we see over here, if we go and swap USDC to base, as you see, the fees are zero, which is absolutely amazing. So we go and swap it right here. As you see, there is no fees. It is basically a free transfer. It's an instant free transfer. And why is it important? Well, Relay still doesn't have a, they still don't have a token. So one thing that could be interesting to go and do and to go and try is to utilize this to go and farm this possible airdrop in the future. As we see here, the fees between sending from base to Arbitrum or Arbitrum to base, or as we see right here, we do have it over on base. We have the stable coins as we see here on USDC. The good thing about it is that you can go and farm it as we see right here, which is really, really good. So this is a quick video, and this is going to be counting why? Well, it is going to be counting towards airdrop. It is going to be counting towards the possible airdrop that really it is going to have. Yes, they haven't said anything. Yes, it is going to be an airdrop, but as we see here, if we go aside from what Ethereum could be, which does have it, but all of the other chains, which can be, as you seen there, we can go and, for example, see with over here, over on Ink, for example, there is a free fees. This one, as we see, this is not a super free, as we see here, but we see that the fees, the network cost is very cheap. So make sure to go and do it. And I think it is a big positioning for the airdrop. Simply go and do the swaps in and out. And whether it is, as you see here, you send this and the fees are very minimal. Simply go and test around which networks goes to which network for absolutely free. For example, as we see over here, base to Linea, they don't have the route yet, but simply go and put it in and out, put it right to left. Also Optimism, for example, is a good one. I would suggest you, as we see here, the fees are zero. So one is Arbitrum to base, the other one is base to Optimism. As you see right here, you simply swap instantly with no fees whatsoever, which is really good. And then you keep on going like this. You keep on doing, for example, Arbitrum to base, base to Optimism. Then Optimism, we can go and swap it as we see here, which we do have it right now. Simply reload the page and it is going to appear in your wallet as we do have it right now. Optimism to base, as we see here, is free. But then if you want to go and do more and more chains aside from what Optimism is, simply go and try them on. We can go and send from Optimism, for example, to one that we could do it potentially Scroll. Let's go and see if Scroll has the USDC for free. Otherwise, simply go and check. But this is I think, quite an important update, because it does give us the possibility to go and farm, if we can say so, or at least participate in the event that they are having it, which it is good. Like, it is still a good event to have, and I think we should participate in this one. So make sure to go to Relay, grab the airdrop, enjoy the free fees, and simply go and do it. As it seems right now, it does seem like the best one are Arbitrum to Optimism, Optimism to base, rinse and repeat for like a couple of hours. Make volumes, you go $5,000, do it with $5,000. As we see here, there are no gas fees. Transfer request, no gas fees whatsoever. You send this one, you get that one. Zero gas fees, and it is all on them. And as you see here, I am doing it with no Ethereum over on Optimism. I'm doing with a little bit of Ethereum here, but as I get over here, I can send it, for example, to base. And as we see here, Arbitrum to base, zero gas fees. Go and do the swaps. Rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. Grab your airdrop, grab your positioning, do at least a couple of thousand in terms of volume. I would suggest it, absolutely yes. But I hope this helped. I hope you find it helpful. And let's go and see in the future whether or not we're gonna have an airdrop and whether or not this played a role in the volume. So see you later, guys.